Hello team, welcome back to Project UK. So as you've probably seen from the title, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Armor Shield 9 from AvalonKing. So without wasting too much time, let's start the video. Now, at the start of this video, let's get the elephant out of the room. You probably saw from the start of this video that a paid promotion banner popped up, which would highlight that we've been paid to promote this video. Now, we've not been paid to promote this video, but AvalonKing did reach out to us and say, hey, Project UK, we've seen your videos, we've checked out your channel, we like what you're doing. We want to send you some products to check out. So naturally we said, sure, no problem, send us some products and we'll give them a test and potentially produce some videos for our viewers on the channel. However, they've not actually paid us or sponsored us to make this video, but what they did do, as you can see here, is send us a sample of their Armor Shield 9, which is available for anybody to purchase on their website. So although we've not been paid to promote this video, they did send us a free sample. In fact, they actually sent us 2 samples first of all, which didn't arrive, but this one eventually did arrive, and it is their Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating. So let's get the next elephant out of the room. If you're a regular viewer of the channel and have followed us for some time, then you will know, and you've probably seen, that we don't just produce content for any product that comes out on the market. We generally produce content for the products which we believe and we use are the best products for the best results with minimal effort. That is our aim on the channel. So when AvalonKing contacted us, it gave us a bit of a dilemma because we wanted to give you a fair and honest review of this product without feeling pressured by the fact that this sample was sent to us free of charge, because most people will send us products with the aim that we will produce positive content regardless of how good their products actually are. So we actually contacted AvalonKing and said, hey, thank you for sending us a sample. However, at Project UK, if you want us to do a review of this product, we will do so, and thank you for sending us this product. However, it will be an honest and accurate review of the product, whether that be good or bad. And they actually agreed to their benefit. They said, hey, that's fine. You just do a review of the product, tell your viewers exactly what you think, whether that is good or bad, and hey, we'll just run with that. So what we wanted to say is, just because a paid promotion banner popped up, don't think that we're just going to be positive. We will give this an honest review for you, our viewers, whether that's purely good or purely bad. So let's just get into it now. So the first thing to note, when you get the package through the post, this is exactly what you'll get. You will get a really nice satin finished cardboard box with Armor Shield logoed on both sides. And straight away, the first tell of any product is the quality of the packaging. And we can tell you that the packaging with AvalonKing's Armor Shield 9 absolutely does not disappoint. So once you open the box, remove the top sleeve, you'll be greeted by another fairly high quality box, which is solid and good quality. And once you remove this box, which is fairly nondescript, but it's really good quality, you will be greeted by 2 cards. The first thing is a credit card sized card, which is hard plastic, which is absolutely amazing. More manufacturers should include these cards in their packaging and kits, and we'll explain why as the video goes on. So that is the first really good thing. After the packaging, which is high good quality, you get this card, which is amazing. You're then greeted by a welcome card, apply, smile, enjoy. And that just gives you a brief description. You can pause and read this if you want, about the actual product itself. And then, how's that for packaging? You are greeted by a really nice chrome bottle, which is your actual ceramic coating itself. And once you remove the ceramic coating, you are then greeted by this insert, sponge insert, which was holding the ceramic coat in place. You will then have a really thick, high GSM microfiber cloth for leveling the compound, or sorry, the ceramic coat once you got it on the surface. You will also have an applicator block with the AvalonKing logo there. And again, top marks for AvalonKing for actually putting the slits inside the actual applicator block itself, because a lot of manufacturers, or some, don't do that. And this is where you use the card once you've applied your cloth to actually tuck it into position. So that is what that card is actually used for, and we've demonstrated that in a previous video. But it's great they give you this, and the slits are already inside the actual applicator block as well. You will also have some nitrile gloves, and you will also have the actual microfiber applicator cloths, and there's about 3 or 4 in there. Once we actually do the application, we'll open it and show you how many there are, but you get the applicator cloths as well, and there's a few in there, which is great. You will then get an AvalonKing sticker, so you can proudly advertise the fact that your car has been coated with the AvalonKing ceramic coating. And last but not least, you will also get the instruction manuals on the best process of applying your ceramic coating. So again, you can pause the video if you want to read that for yourselves. However, all of the instructions are online on their website, AvalonKing.com, and you can check that out as well. But you can pause this if you want to read any of the instructions. So those are the contents of the actual box itself. So at the start of the video, we've obviously explained that this was in theory a paid promotion, because AvalonKing kindly sent us this sample free of charge to test and use. And we also said that we're going to go through not only the good, but also some of the bad. Now, so far, we've gone through the good, i.e. the packaging is great. You essentially get a full kit, so you can buy this product. And at the time of making this video, it retails at $69.99 US for the whole kit that we demonstrated here, which represents fantastic value in the fact that you get the whole kit for what you need to apply the ceramic coating to your vehicle of choice. The first detailer's top tip is in terms of the actual microfiber cloth. It's a very high GSM microfiber cloth, which is really soft and feels very high quality. However, a detailer's top tip, when it comes to ceramic coatings, you are much better off using a short pile microfiber cloth, something similar to this, which is about 100-150 GSM. We find that ceramic coatings, or most coatings in fact, just level down and wipe away much easier with short pile microfiber cloths. The other thing to note is that when you do wipe or level a ceramic coating, you will need 2 microfiber cloths. One for the initial level, which we'll go through in the demonstration when we get to that video, and one for actually removing any remaining excess carrier solution. So you will actually need 2 cloths. So the first thing to note, which is not necessarily bad, it's just an observation, is that you do get 1 cloth, but you will need 2, and you're better off using short pile microfiber cloths. Now, in our opinion, and being honest with our viewers and trying not to be too harsh to AvalonKing, this is where things get bad with this product. It's not so much the product, but it's actually the instructions and what they recommend to their users in terms of the application process for this ceramic coat. So, what they recommend is one of 2 approaches when applying this product. The first approach is purely to wash your vehicle, use an IPA wipe down using something like, as you can see in the background, Gyeon Prep, to actually wipe any contaminants off your surface prior to applying this ceramic coating. The second approach is to actually wash your vehicle, clay bar it, polish it, give it an IPA wipe down, and then apply this product. Now, This is where this approach is a bit misleading, we would say, because when you are applying a ceramic coating, we appreciate that it's not as straightforward as applying maybe a wax or a sealant, because proper preparation when applying any protection on your vehicle is paramount for how long this product will last. For any ceramic coating, you need to properly prep the surface, and that would include a thorough strip wash. You would then go through your decontamination processes by doing tar removal and iron removal, followed by a clay bar, followed by machine polishing, followed by an IPA wipe down prior to applying any ceramic coating. So that is the process you should follow, and that is the process we will demonstrate when actually applying this ceramic coating. What AvalonKing have probably tried to do, from our opinion and from what we can see, is try to make this coating a mass appeal coating by saying, hey, you don't need to follow these steps in applying this product. Now, this is what we would say. What you do with your vehicle is your choice. Ultimately, it's your car and it's your product once you purchased it. You can do what you want. But we're guessing that you watch detailing channels because you're interested in detailing and you want to learn the best processes and best techniques when applying these products, which is why you're probably here watching this video, because you want to apply it, but you want the best results. And the best result will always be to follow those processes. Wash, tar, iron, clay bar, IPA wipe down prior to applying this product. Obviously machine polishing to get your vehicle surface as good as possible and scratch free as well. Now, what AvalonKing have tried to do is to say, hey, our ceramic coating is a lot easier to apply than most ceramic coatings, and basically just follow our steps. However, you will not get the longevity, you will not get the performance, and you will not get the results that you can get from this product unless you follow the steps. Now, as we mentioned, it's your car, it's your product, do what you want. If you want to apply this ceramic coating without washing your car, go ahead, it's your car. If you want to wash your car with a brick using nails as shampoo, go for it, do what you want. If you want to apply this ceramic coating without the proper preparation, hey, it's your car, do what you want. However, follow the proper steps in applying this ceramic coating, because from what we can see prior to actually going through the actual application video, which we'll go through, this ceramic coating is a standard ceramic coat, i.e. you apply, you wait for it to flash, you level it, wipe it down. You then have to give it 24 hours without any contact with water. You then need to leave it 5 to 7 days for it to cure properly, like most ceramic coats. And they even say to get the best results, you want 2 coats. So this is effectively a standard ceramic coat. However, their marketing would suggest that it's not, it's something different, and to follow different steps when applying it. So that is the bad thing that we will discuss in this video so far. So hopefully that wasn't too harsh, but just an honest reflection of how we feel so far. Now we're going to try and keep this video quite short. So in the next video, we're going to go through the actual application of this product. We're going to see how easy it is to use, how easy it is to apply and level down and wipe away, and also the results we get. So make sure you've subscribed and hit that bell icon so when that video is released, you get alerted straight away. In the meantime, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found it useful. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and please make sure you do give it a thumbs up, because every thumbs up we get will mean that the YouTube algorithm will spread this video to other viewers, and it will just help us grow the channel to produce more content for you, as will every subscription. So make sure you've given us that thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon, and if you've not already done so, make sure you check out the rest of the channel. So once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in part 2 of AvalonKing's Armor Shield 9. See you on the next one.